When first starting the app, it will launch a splash screen, which you will see for a second. When the splash screen is visible, the application checks Redux to see if a user is already logged in. As this is the first time we enter the app, we'll get redirected to this login view. In the background, a connection to Apple Health Kit is set up and stored as a reference in Redux. From here, you can either log into your account, reset the forgotten password, or sign up as a new user. Pressing Forgot Password takes us to this view, which I think most of you are familiar with. Basically letting you enter your email address, which sends you an email with instructions on how to reset your password. If we back up and we press Sign Up, we will reach this view. Here you enter your assigned group number based on the study you are a part of, your name, an email address, and a password. Pressing Sign In will trigger a function that collects data from the last 30 days from Apple Health Kit. Based on the data, the function then calculates an average of your daily steps and stores the average along with the rest of your information in Firebase. After that, you get redirected to the splash screen, which now recognizes a logged-in user and redirects to the main interface. In the top bar, you can see the amount of steps you walked during the day, and in the middle of the screen, the amount of steps you have to convert into a certain reward. At the mounting of this component, a listener is added to receive step events from Apple Health Kit. In case of more steps walked, the app will update accordingly. The converting of steps is a main part of the app. The thought behind this function is that it will force the user to interact with the app, otherwise the user's potential rewards will go to waste. This function makes more or less sense depending on the reward. In this case, the user's test group gets rewarded by seeing how their walking benefits the climate. By pressing Climate Compensate, the user converts the step he or she has walked into information about how many kilometers that would equal to in driving a car. In this case, 4.11 kilometers. You can also swipe this bottom card component to see weekly and monthly stats. Additionally, you have a little icon on the top bar which contains a profile picture. Pressing that leads us to this view, the profile interface. Here you can see your email address, your name, your daily average, and your profile picture. The picture can be set using the little pen icon, which will open the camera roll and let us select a picture. Lastly, pressing Log Out will take us back to the login screen. If I log into my account, you can see that I yet have to convert the steps of the day, but also that my stats from last week has been loaded. And that's all for this screencast.